Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you are doing great. Today I'll be making eggplant or garden egg stew. You can also call it sauce. If you are interested, let's get started. So now I'm going to introduce you to the veggies and ingredients I'm using. 2 big purple eggplant is also called garden egg, Ponmo, palm oil, 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 red bell pepper, 1 Habanero pepper, 2 Maggi Cubes, salt, grinded crayfish, and smoked mackerel fish. As you can see, I've already washed my eggplant. It's already on the cutting board. I'm going to show you how I peel it. The first thing I do is to cut the top of it like this. After that, I'll cut the bottom. Then peel it. After peeling it, I will divide it into 2. After that, I'll cut it in a way that I can get a square shape. As you can see how I'm doing it, then start slicing it. After slicing my eggplant, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of salt. I'll pour water inside. I'll mix it together. After that, I'll set it aside for 10 minutes. The reason why I do this is because it will take out the bitter taste out of the eggplant. As you can see, my eggplant is already inside the pot. Before putting it inside the pot, I rinse it with fresh water so that all the salt will go out of it. I'll pour half cup of water inside the pot. You don't need much water because the eggplant already has some water on it. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. While it's cooking, I'll be coming to turn it around. So guys, it's up to 10 minutes now. This is how my eggplant looks. Now I will mash the eggplant with the spoon inside the pot. After mashing it, this is how it looks. In a clean pot, I'll pour my palm oil. When the oil is hot, I'll add my onions. I'll fry it until it becomes translucent. Now I'm going to pour my blended tomato mix. As you can see, I blend it roughly. It's not that smooth. I'll stir it round. I will add 2 Maggi Cubes. I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I will add 2 tablespoons of crayfish. I will stir it round. I will add my diced Ponmo. I will stir it round again. I will cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So guys, it's up to 10 minutes now. When you see that the oil has flowed to the top, you know your stew is ready. I will add my shredded fish. I will stir it round. After that, I will add my already cooked eggplant. As you can see, there is a little water on it. I will stir it round. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes on a medium heat. So guys, it's up to 3 minutes now. I'll turn it round. This is how it looks. If you enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.